Hi, my name is Andrew Boy and this is Violet, our model. Today we're going to learn how to correctly bounce your flash so that your subject always have a well-lit face regardless the location and the background. Thank you for watching this channel. Let me establish the problem. Take a look at Violet's pose. So you notice that she has a face mostly facing that side. And even though we are in a well-lit room, I still need to bounce my flash. And one of the biggest problems that I always face is photographers bounce their flash to the top. Let me show you why that's good and perhaps not so good. So I'm going to use manual exposure on my camera, which means that my ISO, I need to set it myself, which is 400, f2.8 on the aperture. And the first thing I'm going to do is to meter right until I get slightly below 0. Between here to here is one of the best places to tame the bright backlight. So the backlight is really bright. So let's see what happens when I fire the flash right up to the ceiling. Go up, come back down. You notice that this looks amazing, but there's always one small problem when you take a shot like this. The forehead will always appear brighter. And we are lucky we don't get a lot of shadow under the chin. But let's learn to bounce better. Look at the face. The face is actually facing right there. Look at where the nose is. That gives you the clue where to bounce your light. Always pay attention to the direction of the nose. Plot a line all the way to the back. And viewers and photographers, this is exactly where I should be bouncing the flash. Right there. Let me show you what happens when I bounce it this way instead. With the flash bouncing the same angle where her nose is. Look at this shot now. So if you look at these photos, you notice that this second photo right here is the one that we bounce the flash at the corner, has a more subtle lighting. Remember this, when you use flash, you don't want to make it look like you force a flash onto that photo shoot. And the first shot looks exactly like that. So what do you learn? You learn that you should always have your flash pointed to where the nose of the subject is pointing. Violet changed another 2 poses and let's see whether this trick works. So if you look at Violet's pose, this is fascinating. She got her nose pointed directly to me, which means that the only one thing that I need to do is to take the flash, swivel it all the way to the back, bounce on that area behind me, chin up a little bit, and yep. Problem solved. The same angle that she points her nose to. Alright, now take a look at this. Let's plot that line. That's where the nose is facing. So all I need to do is take my flash, same thing, I'm going to point it right there. Smile bigger and bam. Subtle flash, no more bright forehead. You've always been following our channel and you know the quality of our e-learning and tutorials. They are fantastic, especially when it comes to the topic of using light and flash in photography. The e-learning of flash photography has always been our popular course because it gets you started of shooting with flash and added lights. And here's the good news. We have a new version, a complete revamp of the whole syllabus of this e-learning. So quickly sign up now and enjoy yourself a pre-launch promo price if you sign up now. Enjoy our videos and tutorials on YouTube? Well, simple. Follow Violet on her Instagram. Don't forget, head on to the comment section right down here. Tell me what you want to learn. Hit subscribe and also visit my e-learning website right here, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.